Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my baby version of Purple in the Vent from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large rectangle near the bottom. Now from the top corners, let's draw angled lines up and in. And then a line across to connect them. Next, let's move inside and draw another rectangle. And now inside each corner, let's draw an angled line. Next, let's move inside, and from the bottom corners, let's draw another set of angles up. And now let's connect them with a line across. And then from the corners, let's bring it up. Next, inside, let's add the eyes. Let's start with a large circle on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now inside each circle, let's draw another one. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's add the bars. Let's start in the middle between the eyes and let's draw two vertical lines. And now let's draw two more on top of the left eye. And the same thing over the right eye. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside each of the bars. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Inside on the bottom left, let's draw a curve. And the same on the right. Then for the ends, let's curve it up over top like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the hands. Let's start with the right side. Let's draw a curve up and back down for the first finger. And then 3 more pointed fingers to close off the hand. Now let's hop over and draw the left hand holding the rattle. From the top line, let's curve it up and over for the first finger. And then 2 more fingers below it to close it off. Next, on the right side, let's add a curve here for the thumb. Now let's add the rattle. Underneath the hand, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then let's erase the line inside. Next, move inside the handle and draw a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop up on top of the hand and draw a circular curve. Now let's move inside and add some details. Let's draw 2 curves near the top. And then 2 more at the bottom. And now inside that middle section, let's draw 4 small circles. And lastly, on the sides of the rattle, let's draw 2 small curved lines on either side. And that's it for Baby Purple in the vent. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!